In a vast savannah, where the sun painted gold and the wind whispered secrets, lived an ostrich named Obi and an elephant named Elara. Obi was known for his speed, while Elara's strength was legendary. Yet, both were troubled by a shared burden, an insatiable thirst for knowledge. One day, Obi, with his long neck craned, spotted a distant mountain shimmering under the sun. "I shall climb that mountain," he announced, "to unravel the mysteries it holds." Elara, though she admired Obi's ambition, felt a pang of doubt. "But why climb, dear friend?" she asked. "Why not use your speed to seek knowledge elsewhere?" Obi paused, considering her words. He realized that his speed was indeed a unique gift, one that could be used in ways other than just climbing mountains. Elara, too, felt a stirring. "And what of me?" she pondered. "My strength could be used to carry heavy tomes, seeking wisdom from the wise." She decided to join Obi on his quest, each using their unique abilities to quench their thirst for knowledge. So, Obi and Elara embarked on their journey, not just seeking knowledge, but also learning the value of their unique strengths. They realized that it was not just about the destination, but also about the journey, the friends made, and the lessons learned along the way. And so, the ostrich and the elephant, once troubled by their thirst for knowledge, became the embodiment of wisdom, their story a reminder that every journey, no matter how arduous, can lead to enlightenment if approached with the right mindset.